Hi, I'm Todd with Pure and Secure. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a Microswitch in the Aquanui CT and also in the Steam Pure countertop distiller. Well, let's jump right in. To replace the Microswitch on your Steam Pure or Aquanui CT distiller, you'll need an adjustable wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some plumber's tape, which you can find at your local hardware store. Start by locating the front of the distiller where the drain valve is. Remove the filter by pushing down on the small gray part of the joint and pulling the filter off. Then unscrew the drain valve by turning it counterclockwise to remove it. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 8 screws from the console. Once the screws are out, lift off the stainless steel plate. Use the 1/4 inch wrench or the adjustable wrench to remove the small nuts holding the Microswitch. Before disconnecting any wires, it's a good idea to take a photo of the wiring setup so you can reference it later during reinstallation. Connect the new Microswitch by using the switch itself to pull the screws through the holes before gently screwing the nuts back on to hold it into place. If the threads for the drain valve are bare, use the plumber's tape to create a layer by wrapping the tape around the nozzle 3 times. Reattach the stainless steel cover plate with the 8 screws. Then screw the valve back in by turning it clockwise until it's tight. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need any help during the process, feel free to contact our customer service team at 402-467-9300. Or you can email our team at info@mypurewater.com. Please subscribe and visit our website at mypurewater.com.